Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In this tutorial we explain how to properly install VLC media player on Ubuntu Linux. This tutorial is a part of a series of tutorials on how to properly set up a computer for doing machine learning and computer vision. And for those of you who don't know, VLC Media Player is a free and open source media player program that can play a wide variety of audio and video files. In our future video tutorials on computer vision and machine learning, we will use VLC to play generated videos that are outputs of computer vision and machine learning algorithms. So let's immediately start. Okay. The first step is to open a terminal. So click here and search for terminal. And here it is. Whenever you want to update or install a new package in Linux Ubuntu, it's very important to run these two commands. This first command, sudo update, will actually update the package list with the newer version of packages. It will not upgrade the packages, it will just update the list. And this second command, sudo upgrade, will actually upgrade the packages. So let's run these two commands as a single line. You can do that by just adding this AND symbol. And over here, let's enter our password. So here it is. Okay. The next step is to install VLC. To do that, we will simply type this. Okay, and let's click on yes. And that's basically it. Okay. The next step is to try to run VLC. So let's do that. Click here and search for VLC, and you should see it over here. So simply click. So here's our player. Now let's try to play some videos. Over here I will go to my folder and I'm going to try to play this video to see what will happen. And if I double click on this file, you can see that I'm actually not using the VLC media player. I'm using something else. That is, I'm using the built-in Linux player. How to fix that? Well, there are several ways. One approach is to click on the video, do the right click and click on open with other application, and over here you can select the player. Let's select VLC media player, and here it is. And now we can play this video by using the VLC media player. However, we would like to make the VLC media player to be the default player for video files. So let's learn how to do that in Linux. Click here. Click on settings and now go all the way down and you need to find the proper options. So you need to click on default applications, and over here you can see for videos, currently it's being selected videos, so let's click on VLC media player and that's it. Simple as that. Close this, and you probably have to restart the computers for these things to take the effect, because again, no, you don't need to actually You can see now if you play, it will automatically play. So it's good. But it's still a good idea to restart the computer. So let's try to do it once more to verify that if I press again that I'm going to use Linux player, just to make sure that this will work without resetting the computer. So click on settings. We need to go to default applications. And over here, let's, for example, select videos. Let's close. Let's see what happens now, and now the videos will be played by using videos. Okay, so that's it. So let's now retrieve back the settings. Click over here, settings. Then over here, let's set default application to be this, and now it's perfect. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.